Welcome to this Evolve Cellular tutorial on how to make voice calls and send simple text messages within Microsoft Teams using the texting and voice service from Evolve Cellular. In this video, we will guide you through the process, so let's get started. First, ensure the texting and voice service from Evolve Cellular is integrated within your Microsoft Teams tenant. Once you have it set up, open Microsoft Teams and navigate to the left sidebar. In the left sidebar, locate and click on the calls icon. This will open the voice calls interface. You can make a voice call using this interface from your Evolve Cellular phone number. Now let's learn how to make a voice call. To do this, click in the field at the top left where it says type a name or number. Type or dial the number using the dial pad, or select a contact from your Microsoft Teams speed dial list. Once you've entered the number or selected a contact, click the Teams purple call button to initiate the call. The call will start ringing, and you can unmute your microphone during the call. You can also switch to speakerphone, transfer, hold, conference, record, or transcribe the call, all of which we will cover in other videos. Great! You've successfully made a voice call using Evolve Texting and Voice service within Microsoft Teams. Now let's move on to sending a simple text message from your Microsoft Teams voice number. To send a text message, click on the texting icon located at the top of the interface. The texting app message window will appear. In the To field, enter the recipient's phone number. Select a contact or previous conversation from your Microsoft Teams texting contact list. Next, type your message in the text box provided. You can type a simple text message, or even including emojis if you like. Once you've composed your message, click on the paper airplane icon or press enter to send it. Congratulations, you've successfully sent a simple text message using the Evolve Cellular texting and voice service within Microsoft Teams. That's it. You now know how to make a voice call and send a simple text message within Microsoft Teams using the texting and voice service from Evolve Cellular. Enjoy seamless communications right from your Teams platform. Thank you for watching. If you have any further questions, please feel free to reach out to us at evolvecellular.com or give us a call 833-TXT-TEAM or 512-777-7700. That's 512-777-7700.